Hi, this is Zandy. This is part 2 of the short and sweet series. We're covering the user interface today. We will be focusing on the scripts panel. The first row of the scripts panel has to do with all the commands, the script lists, and the examples provided by OpenBrush. Tool scripts are where you find your basic shapes: circles, cubes, rays, spirals, spheres, ellipses. Just play around with them. It's usually just you pull your trigger and it will lay that shape down for you. Row 3 of the user interface is symmetry scripts, and they're probably my favorite. You'll find the lathe there. Hold first click, menu around, pole, and spin. Make sure you click the 3 dots next to it because the parameters can also be changed for each of those scripts. 4 are your pointer scripts like dashes, laser beams, loops, missiles, all of these cool things you can play around with, and you can also change the parameters for many of these scripts. In part 3 of the short and sweet series, I'll be going over where you can find information on how to create your own scripts and even try some examples on your own.